Kids, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am Shailaja Dhumar, your literacy teacher. So children, today we are going to learn one new content. It's from the literacy skill book. Okay, so take your literacy skill book and the name of that content is describing words. Which content we are going to learn today? The name of that content is describing words. Now children, what is the meaning of describing words? Okay, describing words means define or explain the information about people, animal, any situation or things. इसका मतलब ये है कि describing words मतलब किसी भी चीज की जानकारी देना या फिर वर्णन करना. तो वो जानकारी या फिर वर्णन जो है किसी इंसान के बारे में हो सकती है, किसी जानवर के बारे में हो सकती है, कोई चीज के बारे में हो सकती है या फिर किसी सिचुएशन के बारे में हो सकती है. दैट वी कॉल एज अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स और डिस्क्राइबिंग. Okay children, I will just show you some examples of related to these describing words. Now these are some examples. So children, one example, there are some examples which I am going to show you. Okay, so can you see this? This is a chocolate. So जब आप chocolate खाते हो, whenever you eat the chocolate, which taste you get? Probably the chocolate taste sweet, right? So what chocolate defines? Yes, चॉकलेट क्या डिफाइन करती है, अपने बारे में क्या डिस्क्राइब करती है? उसकी स्वीटनेस. चॉकलेट कैसे होता है? स्वीटनेस. अभी ये जो चॉकलेट है, ओके, ये स्वीट है. सो उसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो क्या है? डिस्क्राइब क्या करता है? उसका स्वीटनेस डिस्क्राइब करता है. यस, उसका क्या दिखाता है? वो क्या गुण दिखाता है या फिर अपने बारे में वो क्या वर्णन करता है? तो वो उसकी स्वीटनेस बताता है. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. What is this? This is a apple. Yes. So apple has which color? Green, white or red? Red color. Apple has red color. So it has red color, right? So apple क्या दर्शाता है अपने आप का? Color. What it describes? It has red color. Apple को कौन सा color है? Red color है. Okay. Next example. Yes. Which animal is this children? Is this an elephant? Then is this an elephant? Then this is a giraffe. तो जिराफ के बारे में अगर मुझे बोलना है, हमें बोलना है, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? How we are going to describe the giraffe? Giraffe is a tall and huge by his neck. Yes, can you see this neck? हम लोग क्या डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं जिराफ के बारे में कि जो जिराफ की जो नेक है वो क्या है? टॉल और ह्यूज है, राइट? एंड दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. यस. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. व्हाट यू कैन सी दिस? दिस इज ए स्टोन. व्हाट इट इज? दिस इज ए स्टोन. एंड इफ विल सी द स्टोन इज हेवी एंड हार्ड. व्हाट स्टोन डिस्क्राइब्स? द स्टोन इज heavy and hard. Comparatively, if we'll see the next example of this cotton, how it is so soft. What it describes? Cotton क्या describe करता है? Which is so soft. Okay. Next example. What it is? This is a tree. तो children, आप जब भी ट्री को देखते हो उसके कलर्स बदले हुए रहते हैं क्या? येलो कलर, रेड कलर, व्हाइट कलर ऐसे होते हैं क्या? देन what tree describes? It has green color, beautiful green color. Okay, so this is called describing. अपने बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देना. अपने बारे में मतलब किसी चीज, कोई भी चीज हो, कोई इंसान हो, कोई एनिमल हो और एनी सिचुएशन हो. ओके, उसको जो हम लोग डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, उसकी जो इंफॉर्मेशन बताते हैं, दैट वी कॉल डिस्क्राइब. ओके, सो नाउ टेक योर लिटरेसी स्किल बुक एंड कम टू पेज नंबर 4545. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स मीन्स define or explain the information about people, places, things, situations or actions. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स माने क्या बोला मैंने? वर्णन करना, जानकारी देना। तो चिल्ड्रन यह जानकारी जो है, ये जो वर्णन है, किसी इंसान के बारे में हो सकती है, किसी वस्तु के बारे में हो सकती है, जानवर तथा परिस्थिति के बारे में भी हो सकती है। सो विल सी more details about this describing words. Here one more definition is there. Describing words describe a person, place, animal or thing. किसी वस्तु के बारे में, किसी प्लेस के बारे में, या फिर कोई एनिमल के बारे में, किसी पर्सन के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करना, इंफॉर्मेशन देना, डिफाइन करना, that means describing words. Okay, so these are the examples. Can you see this? What it is? A funny clown. What it is? A funny clown. How is he? Is he sad? Then he is so funny. इसको देख के आप क्या डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं? What we can describe after watching this, after seeing this clown? That the clown is funny. Yes. Next picture. A beautiful garden. In this picture, if you will see, a garden is there. So how is the garden? Green color garden, and very nice it is. So one more word is there. How we are going to describe this? How we are going to describe the garden? The garden is very beautiful. ओके, तो गार्डन क्या करता है? उसका ब्यूटीफुलनेस जो है ना, वो डिस्क्राइब करता है, अपने ब्यूटीफुलनेस के बारे में गार्डन बताता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, अ टॉल जिराफ. Just now we have seen the example of giraffe. A tall giraffe. How is giraffe? Tall or fat? Fat है क्या? No, but how he is? He is tall and he has beautiful, huge neck, tall neck. So giraffe describes his tallness. Yes. How is the giraffe? Giraffe is a tall. Giraffe अपने बारे में क्या बताता है, या फिर हम लोग जिराफ के बारे में अगर डिफाइन करना हो, उसके बारे में कुछ जानकारी देना हो, वर्णन करना हो, या फिर कुछ बताना हो, तो जिराफ क्या है? टॉल है. हाइट में कैसे? वो टॉल है. ओके, सो अ टॉल जिराफ. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, अ रेड रोज. जैसे ही आप रोज देखते हो, ओके, रोज फ्लावर देखते हो, so what do you think first of all? Beautiful color. Which color it has? Red color. So rose defines his color, which has red in color. Okay children, next example, come to page number 4646. Here are some examples, but before that one more time we are going to see this. This is a funny clown, this is a beautiful garden, a tall giraffe, a red rose. Describing words describes a person, place, animal or situation. Okay, now just repeat after me. Okay children, say a funny clown, a funny clown. Next, a beautiful garden, a beautiful garden, a tall giraffe, a tall giraffe, a red rose, a red rose. Okay, so clown is funny, garden is beautiful, and giraffe is tall, and here is one red rose which has red color. Okay, now we'll see page number 4646. Open the page. Have you opened this page children? Okay, now here are some examples. Pick the words that describes each picture. Take your pencil also. Have you taken? Okay. Pick the word that describes each picture. Okay. Now here if you will see, some pictures are there and here are the options. In front of these pictures, some options are there, and what you have to do is, what we are going to do is, in front of this option, we are going to give one tick mark which describes. Okay. Next, can you see this? What it is? This is a chocolate. What it is? This is a chocolate. सो चॉकलेट की टेस्ट क्या हो सकती है? बिटर, स्वीट और सॉल्टी? Sweet. Yes. So what we have to do is we have to give here tick mark. Yes. Have you completed till here? Okay. Next. Now can you see these children? What it is? This is a tree. Okay. But which tree is there, children? Coconut tree. Which tree is there? This is a कोकोनट ट्री. बट हम लोग जो नॉर्मल ट्री देखते हैं वो कैसे होता है? इस तरीके से ह्यूज और बिग होता है ना. सो इफ यू विल डिफरेंशिएट विद दिस कोकोनट ट्री कंपैरेटिवली अदर ट्रीज, कोकोनट ट्री इज टॉल और शॉर्ट बाय हाइट? टॉल. कोकोनट ट्री कैसे होता है? बहुत हाइट में टॉल होता है ना. सो हियर आर द ऑप्शंस, स्मॉल, टॉल और फास्ट. फास्ट हो सकता है क्या? नो. और कोकोनट ट्री जो है वो बाय हाइट स्मॉल हो सकता है क्या? नो. सो हाउ व्हाट इट डिस्क्राइब्स? हिज टॉलनेस. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ टॉल गिव 1 mark. रीड द स्पेलिंग चिल्ड्रन. लुक एट टू द बोर्ड. SWEET, sweet. SWEET, sweet. TALL, tall. TALL, tall. Come to next picture. Now children, which picture is this? This is a ice cream. Okay. So tell me one thing. Ice cream is cold. Ice cream is a cold thing or hot thing? Yes, cold. Very good. So here are the options. Ice cream spicy है क्या? Okay, no. Is this a hot? Ice cream is a hot? No. Okay. Next, ice cream is a cold? Yes. So what we are going to do is, in front of the cold we are going to give 1 mark. Next, repeat after me. COLD, cold. COLD, cold. Yes. अगर आप फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखते हो तो यहाँ पर चॉकलेट है. What it describes? It describes his sweetness. Next example, one coconut tree is there. Okay. If we'll see other tree, comparatively coconut tree, other trees are short by his height, small we can say, but the coconut tree is tall. What it describes? His tallness. उसकी जो हाइट है वो डिस्क्राइब करता है. नेक्स्ट, आइसक्रीम. ओके. सो आइसक्रीम कैसे है? कोल्ड होता है या हॉट होता है? कोल्ड. सो आइसक्रीम डिस्क्राइब्स हिज कोल्डनेस. ओके. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, which picture is this? This is an elephant. Very good. So children, elephant is big, fat, right? Comparatively, if we'll see the giraffe, I'll show you. See, comparatively if you will see this giraffe, then what giraffe is describes? His height, beautiful height of his neck. He has long neck. But if you will see the elephant, what it describes? He is big and fat. So in front of big we are going to give 1 mark. Is elephant is small? No. Light by his weight? No. Then what will come? Big fat elephant. What it describes? Big fat elephant. Okay. Say big, big. So children, I hope till here you have understood. Okay. Now come to page number 4747. Okay. Yes, have you opened this page? 4747. Now here are some examples. Color the words that describes each picture. Now take your crayons. Take your crayons. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, one practice sheet is there. In that practice sheet, what it is there, we have to color that word which describe ourself. Like example, if you will see, this is a boy. So this picture what describes, अपने आप को वो क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है, अपने बारे में वो क्या जानकारी देता है. ये जो बॉय है वो क्या है? Here are some options. Okay, options are given. In the correct option we are going to give the color. Okay, in that box. Now this boy is he soft? Then is he clean? Then he is dirty. So if you will see, one example is there and already it has a red color. So same way what we are going to do is, here are some more examples and in front of options are there. Whichever option, whichever answer will be correct, there we are going to give the color. Okay, so teacher has only red and yellow color, but you have many colors, right? So whichever color you like, you are going to give. Okay children, जो आपको कलर अच्छा लगता है वो आपको कलर करना है. ठीक है. Now tell me, which picture is this? Is this a ice cream? Then this is a tea. So what it describes? Tea describes his coldness, iciness, then his hotness. How it is? Yes. How is the tea? Tea is hot. So what we are going to do is, we are going to give the color because our answer is correct. तो जो आंसर करेक्ट है ना, उसके उसी बॉक्स में आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करके यू हैव टू गिव द कलर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, आपको बाद में कलर देना है, ब्यूटीफुली कलर आपको बाद में देना है. ओके. नाउ लुक एट टू द बोर्ड. नेक्स्ट, कैन यू सी दिस गर्ल चिल्ड्रन? दिस गर्ल, कैन यू सी दिस गर्ल? सो कैन यू सी दिस? Her hair, what it describes? Her hair, what it describes? Her hair is short or long? Here are some options: long, short and red. So children, tell me, this girl, she is having her hair red in color. Then जो गर्ल है उसके जो हेयर है, उसके जो बाल है वो रेड कलर के है क्या? Then वो क्या दर्शाता है अपने आप के बारे में? What we can describe to this girl's hair? It is long by height. So L-O-N-G, long. अपने हेयर को देखो आप लोग बच्चों. Yes, boys, especially boys. Check your hair. Your hair is short or long? Short. So comparatively your hair, this girl, she has her hair long. So give here color. I am giving red color because I have only red color. Okay everyone? Okay. Say L-O-N-G, long. H-O-T, hot. Next, turtle. Now till children, turtle has which color? White color. Here are some options: green, red, yellow. So which option is correct? Come on, tell me, you can recognize the color. Green. Very good. So you have to give the color in this box. Okay. Given? Yes. Say G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay. Next, clown. Clown is angry, sad or funny? Funny. Very good. Say F-U-N-N-Y. Come on, give the color. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. 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 Next, this is an ice. So, ice describes softness, hotness or coldness? His coldness. It is cold. Okay. Say C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Till here have you completed, everyone? I'll just take 2-3 seconds. Okay, fine. Now children, I hope you have understood till here. Now take your workbook of literacy subject. Come on, take your literacy workbook and come. So children, I hope you are having your workbook with you, and come to page number 1515. Describing words. Write the correct describing words from the help box. Here you can see this help box. In this box, happy, sad, angry, scared and curious. These are the words are there, and you can see the pictures. So in front of, below these pictures, you have to write the name, correct name. Okay. Now, where is the happy face? Come on, first word, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. So from these pictures, you have to recognize the happy face, and below you should write happy. Okay, like example, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. He is happy. Same way, these pictures you have to recognize, and below you can take the help from this box which words are given, and here you should write. Okay, you are going to write here. This will be your homework. Write here HW homework. You are going to write the words below the pictures. Okay children. Now come to page number 1616. Yes, have you opened this page? I hope you have opened this page. What it is children? क्या है क्वेश्चन देखो. Look, read and color the correct word. Look, read and color the correct word box. The correct word box. If you will see, here are some pictures. Okay, and here are the boxes. What you have to do is, you have to see the picture, what it describes, and in that box you have to give color. Okay, look, write and color the correct word box. अगर आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो तो यहाँ पे कुछ boxes है और उसके ऊपर pictures है. उस picture को देख के वो क्या अपने आप के बारे में describe करता है, वो आपको देखना है और उस box में color करना है. You have to color in that box. Okay, so these are the pictures. What it describes about the picture, about their self, you have to give the color in these boxes. Okay, so this is a fan. What it is? This is a fan. So children, here one fan is there or two fans are there? Only one fan. So here F-A-N fan and here F-A-N-S fans. In the box or in the first column where F-A-N fan spelling is there, you have to color here. Okay, next picture. If you will see in this picture, tops. There are the two tops. Okay, so you have to give the color in this box because यहाँ पे एक top है क्या? No. So how many tops are there? 2. So you are going to give the color here. Like this, you have to complete this homework. So write here HW homework. What we have learned today? Which content we have learned? हमने आज कौन सा content पढ़ा है? Describing words. Which content we have learned? Describing words. Okay, and I gave you the homework also. So children, I hope you understand today's content. Okay, so we are concluding over here. We'll see you soon to the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.